Hi guys, how are you doing? Let's make fluffy donut together. Here I have my ingredients. I'm going to list them out, so don't worry. Here I'm mixing all the ingredients together in a big bowl. Here I have I'm using margarine here, obviously, and not butter. Well, if you have money to buy butter, you can use that. That's sugar. I mean, you guys can see what I'm doing here, right? Egg. So you see the way I'm adding my eggs here. Yeah, I'm breaking in a plate, then I will transfer. As a baker, you see now eggshell entered, so I'm trying to remove it. As a baker, be careful when you're breaking your eggs. Don't break them directly into your whatever it is you're baking. Try and break them differently. Even if you are just breaking all the eggs together, get a separate plate, pour into the other bigger part of the eggs. Yeah, that's the way to do it so that you don't get spoiled egg. So I'm adding my water. So this is me mixing everything up, transferred on a clean table. I'm going to knead until thoroughly combined. Now look at this baby, stretchy. So how do you know it's okay when it's no longer sticking in your hands? Now these dough are divided. So I did 80 gram rather, and then this is me folding. Look at the way I folded it, tuck, and then cut off. Some people use scissors. You can also use scissors. Yeah, you can also fold in, whatever method that works for you, just do that and roll it up. So yeah, see, I'm just trying to make the under very, very neat. Now once I'm done, I would keep to rise. So once it doubles in size, we'll come back and fry them. Look at them. Make sure your donuts are the same size. You see, they have all right. This is 500 gram. This is just 500 gram. So this is my oil. You have to test if your oil is hot. Don't use very hot oil, like just medium, and also low heat. Don't fry on low heat, if not your donut will burn. So I'm putting it with the parchment paper because I don't want to drag it out. If I do that, it's going to drag the donut. So here, once this kind of gets hot, I will quietly pull out the parchment paper. So I did that. Okay, look at, just fry on low heat. Don't overdo it. Flip, turn. Go. See, if you eat this donut, you dash me your last card. Your last card. Now look at this baby. Oh, very nice. And they are done. Enjoy with your favorite juice, guys. Thank you. Remember to like and share. Bye.